how to resend a text message on iPhone. So what we can do is go to your messages, and I'm just going to choose something here, just some spam stuff here. And let's say I write down, hello, how are you? Just a regular text message that you would send to anyone that you want. So to resend it, what you can do is click and hold, and you're going to get some options here. I'm just going to hit copy. And then what you can do is in the text message where you normally would type something in, you can click and hold and paste that same text message. You notice it's the same thing, the same layout, the same format, and just hit send again. So that way you can copy and paste your text message and just keep resending it to the person if you want something to be resent. It's very easy to do, very simple, and that's it.